Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery for a mini Cooper key. Start by finding the seam on the fob and a small flathead screwdriver. Remove the emergency key first, then gently pry the fob halves apart. Note the battery orientation before removal so you can replace it exactly the same way. Finish by snapping the shell back together and testing the remote to confirm functionality. Use gentle pressure when opening the mini Cooper key fob to avoid breaking clips. First, slide out the emergency mechanical key and set it aside. Insert the small flathead screwdriver into the seam and slowly twist until the two halves begin to separate. Work around the edge if needed, keeping track of any tiny springs or inserts. Keep parts organized so reassembly is smooth and stress-free. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so you don't miss future guides. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh after handling keys and batteries, because tiny tasks deserve a pleasant ride. I've linked it and other deals in the description for easy checkout, and it really brightens the drive. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Carefully remove the old CR2032 battery and check its orientation to place the new one correctly. Use a fingertip or plastic tool to lift the cell out without touching electronics. Press the remote buttons to confirm the new battery works before snapping the case shut. If the remote fails, recheck orientation and contact points, then reseat the battery and try again for a reliable working key fob.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.